Hello, nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
How's it going, bro?
Yeah, it's good. Your nickname is Copy.
Oh,
Copy. Your nickname is Copy.
yes, bro. I'm Copy.
Yeah, my nickname is Paste.
Johnny.
Not a
Johnny.
Johnny.
Oh, I see
Paste.
this name, bro. Johnny. Johnny, I
Yeah, yeah.
recognize from the a guy who plays Pac-E.
S- I,
This
I
guy.
I am making joke with you. I didn't disrespect. It's funny. I am always make laugh with people in this platform. It's very normal. Don't worry, brother. I am very,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah, I am very normal and I am not from India. I am from Bangladesh.
yeah, I see, bro.
Yeah.
Your name that I recognize. Yeah, a guy playing Pac-E. This guy is very funny. Yeah. His name is Johnny Bass. A little bit saying your name back. His name Johnny. Johnny. Yeah.
Okay, okay. But my name is
Chi
J
come
O
from
N Y. I have a no ace.
mm,
Yeah. What is your full name? Kung Neging O.
good night. Oh yeah. Good
Oh,
night. Mm.
okay. Very difficult for me.
Yeah. What about your name? Jidan Hagyu. Jidan Hagyu.
Jidan Hawk.
Ji-
Hawk.
Jidan. Oh. Oh.
Hawk.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh yeah. I see, bro.
Okay, okay.
That's cool. You have a cool name, bro. I like it. Yeah.
Okay. Brother,
Yeah. But by the way, are you student, bro?
I'm also a student.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Exactly where are you from in Myanmar?
Ah, yes, I'm from Myanmar.
I know you are from Myanmar. Myanmar have a lots of state, province.
Sorry.
Myanmar have a uh, more province,
Um,
state. Are you understand?
is it?
State na, state. You have a some idea about India. You have some idea about India.
What's bro?
My English is not good. I
No,
said
no, no. Yeah, you English good, but I didn't quite get your point.
okay.
Yeah.
I said, where are you from exactly in Myanmar? I know you are from Myanmar, but I want to know your city, your state.
Oh, oh my day. Yeah, sure. Yeah, to be honest, I'm from like Ipas, Ipas, Ipas in Myanmar. It's a Shan state. Yeah,
San State.
southern Shan state. Yeah, Shan
Okay,
state.
I am talking.
Maybe.
Yeah, I talked before on people. He also from Asian State, and she
Oh,
is,
really?
yeah, yeah, she is a
Oh,
very good and very honored and very polite and very funny. Uh,
oh,
he making
yeah.
joke with me and we laugh together. We make a smile together. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's cool, bro.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I want to. I always use this application for make an international friend and make a laugh, make a funny moment, make memories each other.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah,
How long have you used this after?
only 4 months.
4 months. Oh, I see. That's good.
How many long you have?
Mm, I think 3 weeks.
Only 3 weeks.
3 weeks, yes.
Okay,
Three
okay.
weeks. Today, including today, is 24 days.
24 day, 3 week, three
Yeah.
days.
Maybe 3 weeks. Yeah.
Yeah, I
2 weeks
think
or 3 weeks.
I think you
Yeah.
use sunglass.
Yeah. Yes. Class.
Okay.
I have a class.
Yeah, we are similar.
Yeah, sure, bro.
We have a we,
Actually,
we have a no enough
yeah,
power in our eyes.
yeah. I in one side is 150.
Okay, 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 okay.
You,
By the way, I want to know about your study journey and your life, your family, yeah, your neighbor,
oh,
your society's situation, current condition. I want to know because I can't go Myanmar very easily.
yeah,
So
yeah,
I want to know there's some cultural, some educational, some traditional information through you.
yeah. You know, guy, bro. Actually, yeah. To be honest, my country now situation is a little bit bad. We have a like a political
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
issue,
yeah. Political issue
so
and
we are not
election
stable.
and
Yeah,
national assembly is ongoing.
yeah, yeah. Sure. So that is why now I'm not in Myanmar. Currently, I'm in Thailand, Bangkok. Yes, I working here.
You currently in Thailand.
Yeah, bro.
Oh,
Walking for
you.
walking.
Oh, what kind of work you have?
I working at the housekeeping, bro.
Time is enough. It's very